to the next issue. And the issue that maybe come once and then say doctor no or 37 no some mun nyina mo be kai sa story a mun nyina so and then use one phone enti mun nyina so me na chese me ko be bo ade enti na meka se mun nyina so no enti mun be nyina so na afi me yi ade no na mabo ama mo me be bo voice bi a kire mo ye me pesa me kai mo sa interview na owura no ye no na afi de ye di hu komo na afi ye bi sa 37 say ade ti na doctor ne ye yi ne di keke because information they say that doctor no the nipa form information na menya ne say or the nipa form na nurse ne doctors bi wo ha wu kura nipa wu enfa ne ho like doctor utumi bie nipa tirim obie nipa tirim a na wasan aka kire nipa ne say ni ti na obie mu no machine no de ye adwuma na say ti wasan atum na de wato ho say afi na okọ kra machine ababie mu chale endoma we no so almost solve ya almost solve ya increase kwame plus salary ya mfesi camera mi o but me kama na boa ye nyina ya ho na so people na be tra Facebook na we sora na we criticize Ghana healthcare na Ghana healthcare ya wo yira kotra bochim say papa nkam me kotra bochiri de jimie ben no me catch us ade na ye me di adwane na aka mo mutumi for mo di adwane say no once me di adwane no ni aka ne say me kasa mo mutumi adwane no obi ni passport obi ni sika kra e de top passport form. Into no beka ha, into me many opportunity na me di adwane no. I have to speak for those who are here because they don't have the same opportunity. What you say? Me catch them some time ago, some sister or yari no. Because I had the opportunity, yet to make a kind of hubom within few days. Near Yaji India, Vesamano, near Kateketamano, near the Noko India. Adia yakoye no eye obi a wo ha onu de oni sa opportunity no enti nipa ne bewu enti once am me sister akọ India na ya hwe ne na waba no efi ho kọ ne de action no nko a me bon crofo echi nko a because me nuanu me musa ade na ye no no say ade we ye ma wo Ghana ha omu wude bia enti nyame aye madom a me de metime be gina pempen so obi a mimi hwe ebusuafo mu nti o mimi hia sika to live in Accra o sese ameti we sa me peka afoforo a me fra man kwa say chale bro, I need a new car. When phone here, we the new Galaxy Fold. Oh, Galaxy near Fold phone. I fold, you know. Latest one in me. Friday, me office ana a minia nana mama ground kunu. Or from say, bro, New Year then I open. Nam so bibia. Oba no have top phone number me $2,000. I don't need my Bob Radodo. I have too many contacts. I do not need money to live. But se minya nyoma we ya. No be some who say na aka nkrofo bebre wo ho. Omwe enti ntoko na ye kono mostly no ye ko ama omo ni bi no me komo ndeme me hu ntumi nkyere me wuti ase enti ya mo ntumu mo ma ye nyina ye nka ye humbom ne ye nkasa na omo ntumi nya bi no omo so etumi aboa omo me peka afofra me fra man code bi obisi asese ya odo ba besi ase me nya bia no metua kakakra komba de ade me yare a enya Holy Trinity me so say me call Holy Trinity. And I'm a landmark, Dr. Tikeo. Yan Jimmy Ziko. But Nkofo Bebre a bread. So it's not about me to say, come in, Quadia, and Kakasamin Casabium. Montiasie. And no way, Nayami Pesamotiasia, Munyabo tre. Because a good time when Nipa a woodia, Munya Munyabo training and Kamwasa, because Ochina bin when so better no, now was what the hobby. A idea way, and a mamma decolebu issues were meant to me and Yabo tre because I am a time. I am a mobile. Enipa wudodo enti no time na sanke ye any other issue a nke bia men konto kwasa awu but eba kolebu ni me ni MPP fo ntoko nyina start kolebu and it is very ade bia ehia me very important to me enti no answer na ye be 37 asemi so no moma ye friend say moma yanye we yenti ade enti munjina so na dem use one phone pe enti munjina so me bought no Gucci ade e koso wo no Gucci according to voice no mu bebre ho monte ye enti me boss a voice no won a kire mu na free de ye di hu komo enti no me ma me nko akire ho na me nkobo ma mu hold on me
na nyumri
baba eni nti
se me ase de mo ye program bi a mo bi ase ntimi ma so na me bua me ho aba broche na ye ase be ba broche no ana be for British Service for send me say or send me ye COVID test na san my de maba. In fact, me say I call san maba nti ma me call Accra. And I me call Legon. I say some I be or no Gucci. Ho na mo ye testing no. And me call on the 10th. Na me call ye. Me call no. Na me call ye. Bibi omo me 350. And na me ye test me bi ano ka say. On the 12th, mama did results no. So 12th national maybe 2. And on the 12th, about 1 o'clock. And I me call, say me call the results no.
Continue you.
In fact, me call the results no me be positive. I COVID test no positive. Ti ma me yam shi me pa. Na so we dey come na me for so me dey me call. Ti me no me tu me car. Me besa me friend British for was for catch up say now to me intino me besa me change me take no anti sama me ya say me to me kana me kona be 1 hour time and I'm saying ya call me fine no na e baby a me call ye test no one guy be ho and a guy and friend say me a change positive na negative I dey ama me. So say me konkwa dia. No mo me 500. In fact, what cause am no. Adia no other say me kwa na say me identify say no. And yes adia me call back to my negative because I say me only maybe I say me na bruche. And to me call back and no mo ye ma me no mo je me 500. To me a negative na ma me. Obi a positive no. Afedi a negative na mama. Ena anadu no me si mu na me call airport. Na me koye bibia. Ti still a me call na me ntimi ho ase. Enti me betro abroche. Ena enura be se no, o se me call test no fofo na me hwe sa ampa se me positive for. Enyano me call text na enu ntina mo kasa na nyina me ntimi nka hwe because me shede ma edin minim di atomi. Ten real na results by me a negative. And she said the cost was Ghana no. She said we share wa na oba be test now. We share o personal anywhere here or dey ban here no more see be the ewo. And she said say Ghana for no they say the hospitals they say say no we o Ghana o see. And nyano asem we di wa beti bia na mesro unipa bi o abrucha o ba bia na okwa test ni bia no try so be bona man say di wo ye no guchi no eno no why nti me send me text ayi na o de ma me nyina na me send any abrucha de ni nyina de ama bona obi ya de ahwede e koso Ghana ho why nti no me da mas ma be do asum bi mboko de nti be ko test no me ye negative usafo me
Moya butro ebia afia na obi adwan won enti me yesa be san be body biom na obi awante no na fi de obi afa the comment ni beja wo wo be kwa bruchira na ya check ukoye covid test ya hwe na wo ye boga na why you desperate pese wo kwa so we negative kra na say positive asam na make no maybe I'm actually more ade bi akere mo we negative kra na say we positive send e be ya wontume nkonto wo so why desperate no na afro aka che so ba ye betumi aye paper negative amona nka wo de etu kwan ho baby aye ya ade no me Ghana me nje hwi ndi o bro no me hwe da ye beka say A+ ye de ne kokko aban abati bie na abati mia me ntwan ana bie na hwe me ntwan because me ndi omu ndi enti me amefa ka akotena nsa won se mo de mo fa me ntum he mo pese mo de me tum keke to de mo lock because asema mo kan nyina ye no kore me system no nye papa enti no omo akasa afro se bra go mo mu so ye boga wo pentamako enti no bra ne ye negative ma enti wonye du na wo ye boga pe ye positive untume nko wonye du na wo ye boga pe ye positive untume nko ne afro ne ajo another 500 ne ayama oman na ye timu no enye Akufo-Addo na ye saade ewe o enye Nana-Addo no te ho na oye saade ewe o Nana-Addo oye covid test His Excellency Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo oye covid test oye COVID test. But problem a me nana do woye baako number 1 and say asem we nana beti den na nana be ya fa ho wobɛhu no na nipa na ade no oye sa ade no oye obi bi obi sei wobɛhu na ade na akoto nana do animu na wanyɛ hwe because you see mu 4 years ye start say ye kase nkrofo bebre ye no ma woye wie pe president aclare woye wie pe yes president aclare enti bogafo no omo abakrum no omo kɔ no omo na omo bre ba mu bebre mu bebre enya mu nyina ba mu bebre mu bebre because mu ti aburuchiri ho uhu aburuchiri twene Jonas kachira o se hwefom na wo tu no betra Facebook say na Jonas no wo hu se nsu atɔ wo London ade echi a wo hu da how many times nsu abɛtɔ wo London na wo de wani sei be hu se nsu eyiri no sa nsu na tɔ wo Ghana ho bie bewu nsu obetumi atɔ a wo benya na wo be hu se nsu no wo te se tɔ wo nyane a wo hu ɛfa hefa ni nyina ayira enye nipa na ete ho na enye nipa Kwame Nkrumah ye temasa ena ye kase enka tete na nani bie ni wiase no Kwame Nkrumah tumi ye tema drainage in such a way say ensuo to awunhu ensuo nyiri waye ni nyina besen kopum Kwame Nkrumah ye tunnel efi ebri ensuo num oye san so de besen akotupum like the kind of system the guy was building in the 60s and now betan be ka Kwame Nkrumah ho asem wohu se woti aburuchiri ye can't roll say, or mine no maybe come. What sorry, I know a be live video see so say, who be attack or more customer a bad boy in now. So what's your butcher wouldn't send your system na ye duma. You know. And you know, more bugger for no mudi yimu, or walk of foot plain pet, yes, a positive. Walk of foot plain pet, yes, a positive. No good you won't, the papa be brave. Me nipa bi koye test on Gucci yes positive also two kind asam di me asam we buy na enya me won also two kind yes positive on to me nko no why desperate no so send the ticket 2 weeks later after one of nim droni ade nyina awie 2 weeks later osan koye tester yes positive bi o say me kon yes positive and obi tia na so say madam yeah Jina mai na koye test no Hawaii. No say adem oseme se ko na koye test. Obi na ti ana na so. Okoye ya negative. Ghana ha no. Problem no ne say ni papa wo hawo. But ni papa no so because penifo no ye. Corruption no was civil service no mu. Etime ni papa no mo no Gucci ho no mo yes ade no. Me recommend you mo on some level. Well, obe cha mo so no mi ama sore na mananti akọ na do fie mo dem betra Facebook na mo ye 2020 onim the last time me na na do kasa wo ye well obe mistake me sore makọ na wo ma baka tre na na hwe say no mo ye 4 years ya ka die ye nyina pesa wo de chechiro man na man Ghana ye nyina ye dia say na do di president no man ye ma ye nyina enti say no wa wo betra e na me fa me phone na me frɛ wo betumi di Facebook betumi di MPP echi na me ye say na wo nka na do asem ko wo ye MPP ba wo ntumi frɛ president wo suro president na ma hu o ye mba hyew ntumi frɛ no ntumi usuro me fa me phone na ma frɛ o man pani me frɛ no afa me test so me test no afa me ni boys na no nam o nyina ye nyina adamfo ye nyina na ma obedi president enti me frɛ Boloyon and as a me frɛ Jibril Maka say catch o man some person na kasa nkofo bi o mo ye say wo no Gucci no o mbe so o mo ye say me report mo e na Akufo-Addo on pay president obeti ma sam eja wo ti Facebook ye dede wo de kasa na obe kasa keke wo nyo bia wo mo bra papa ye ka so a wo nti ase ndi papa bebre wo no Gucci ho enti no enya san di paneti ana na so na nka negative kapesa me bu obi din nanka omo gbo na paso wo memu ha but wo boni din o beta ta no nkofu bi wo ho nkofu be 5 omo no Gucci ho very good people because me bu omo din na but ye beta ta omo be find way what you say on my na ye team no mo bogafo no what ho anu aso Facebook live wo Auntie Anita which one ye na me MPP na say oh yes obi di matter wo na wo share say na wo comment na wo share me hwe odin oman ya yetimi ni omo ye ka asem no na me ka asem na enya Akufo-Addo na ye COVID test o but ebeto na his excellency mampani ye nyina ye papa ebeto ne dex so a what action does he take se na be ya ebe ma saade no ebi nsibiem enu ho asem na ye amene na kasa na nkrofo na so we gyaa o mododo asese no na enimi wada ne sofo sansam we na ye ka wo ye boga oti abrochire wo krom farmer ye say na hoti abrochire bia oti no say sa na no mo ye wo ho a enka wo tumi tu ko chana ho ye nyina ye kɔ baabi ne ehu a na say me to na me fa me nkrofo na me say momra me pese me twa ticket mam na mo ko Dubai na mo ko hwe ade amra omo ko Dubai no be bi omo ko chana ye no na me say ma madam fo bi be fa omo say on fa omo ko another place omo du ho no mo say bra afi na ya ba Dubai say we are CFO ho ye desert insuo ni asase na ase insuo po ebi ni ho ohene no Dubai ohene no wabon modern say sika oman ni benye nyina ode ye oman no hwe oman a wa build esi desert so Dubai ye desert insuo ni ho black soil okura bi ni ho bo mo flowers chan Ghana e ye nsam we na ye aye ka say yensu ye nipa yensu ye betumi aye bi Ghana ye yi anka be ye obi ade wo sorry a wote ha ena Kwame Plus de okasa dodo wo sorry a no wasan fa Bobby Wine photo no de akoto Facebook say ye wo bom pa ma Bobby Wine bibia ye Ghana de mo mpe wo so akofa Julius Malema de o feeling pa ba Kwame Plus de no hu ye wahi sa akwa no hu ye me woni Malema no hu ye nkofo hi wo South Africa sa na nkofo so feeling wo Nigeria ne South Africa na wonim sa Julius Malema na wo na wo MPP ni na wo pedibi no we nyanti no buafu na wonim say Julius Malema on ANC na ye ruling party of South Africa and then wonim say no youth wing leader and odi egufuo film because you say corruption Malema wonim corruption na ye dey ato so South Africa odi egufuo film kwoti ni friends EFF na Kwame Plus there on MPP for issue on ye cancel no muntie o dey lose o mu seat ni bebre na nde o mutumi koda parliament 3 am no omutie ya nko meda parliament 3 am sa asem na ye kana me buafu na me dey akoti me TPP no eno dey ya wo ya ba Malema dey ono ye say corruption me obi agaza ma ko corrupt di obi me dey wo mpe ukrom dey na ye kasa ma wan kasa se boga wo ba kromu a the way na nkofo ye covid test na dey bu 500 Ghana boga for na bre wo fi abrochiri ba ye say $150 Ghana $150 for COVID test back wo ba no ye see your test why your test we negative we your test now we negative no we sign to 150 we do Ghana ha ya say ya obiem ye say aba aboga for no snow no mu china na ye easy sasi kana do so dodo at least we dey munji 50 po mu do buy ni person ogigi sika kwa munji 50 na boga no afa phone esi ne so say me ko ye plus me na say there like my year my only say mu kra mama bodam kra say na mbeka bia he na mbeka bia mfa me ho say this year no me ye worse me ade me chi wo wi ase say my bibi na mamu ame na me ni ewu ase my nyale be 1 month obi an ka me ho ase wo fi na say amboza say mo ye mo Facebook do am feeling no can you imagine that me do me nyane the whole Ghana obi at Facebook ye me nko a hey kama ye fucking me feel me there na say my teaching kra na mo be mo kan ya mo be kan bia mfa me ho ya kan ya asam kire mo na muntia ene be didi mu atam ne ya akoto YouTube bo so me so na YouTube amayeska ya kan ya asam akire mo me ye madwuma na me kan ya asam kire so we adwuma no wo kasa do nti ye twa adwuma no mu say aban sa ene de bia maye yewo na me ato YouTube na YouTube amamiska because I have to live constitution is my meduma and the may you them to YouTube no YouTube for you America it's a source of income and now him sir ye can some be bo mine en ka say obi po en ka say yenya ka matina medu asema matina medu den na waye o say we yesi we ya de wenye matina medu nka say mu fa say scan mramio nti we ye Ghana ni na wutie sa asem wo ya wonim say nipa wo say wo support ne matina medu nipa no asam o kan nyina ne se ade we ye mo oman no ade we be ha oman no nipa we ni se o ha nipa ni aye adwuma na ade ama no ne se onye se wo so a wo ye giscan de aye oman ni na ma wo time atina medu wo wi a no obetena ha se wo pena na ado asem matina medu mahama na de ne be ye special prosecutor etino obia wonti audio no obia wonti sa audio no bra na betie biem eni me san bo audio ni biem na tie biem
ya obia na enumerate
tia omo
na sen ya said mo ye program bi amu bi asa bintimi ma so na me bua me ho aba broche na ye asa be ba broche no ana be for British Service for send me say or send me ye COVID test na san my de maba fact me say I call ya Sam Bantima me call Accra. And I me call Legon.
Mutie ni you.
Who say some maybe or Noguchi or no mo tested.
Mutie.
And me call on the 10th. Na me call ye. Me call no na me call ye bibi omo je me 350. And I'm a year test me be no ka say on the 12th mama the results no. So 12th now maybe 2. And on the 12th about 1 o'clock. And I me call say me call the results no. In fact, me call the results no me be positive. I COVID test no positive. Ti mami am shi me pa. No so dey come be na me for so me dey me call. Ti no me to me car me dey me be say me frɛ British info was for catch up say now to me nti no me say me change me ticket no. Anti Samoa me say me to me car na me call na be 1 hour time. And I'm saying I call. Me fine no. Na baby a me call ye test no. One guy be ho. And a guy and friend say, "O met me a change positive na negative I dey ama me."
What?
Say me kon dia. No mo meet you 500. In fact, what cars are no. Adia no other say me kwa na say me identity me say no. And yes adia me call back. To my negative because or say me only maybe or say me na bruche. And me call back. And no year ma me no mo me 500. To me a negative the ma me.
What?
Obi a positive no. Afedi a negative na ma me. And na anajuno me see when I me call airport. Na me call ye bibia. Ti still I me call na me ntimi ho ase. And me better bruche. And I say no, or some call test no for them. If I'm passing, me a positive for. And you know, me call text now. And until I'm more casana in na mean to me carry because me say them my din.
You.
Me name the atomy. 10 million results by me a negative. And she said the cost for Ghana no. She said we share what. Na oba be test na o share o personal ne we yi o dey ban yi no mo se bia bibia dey e wo ho and she say na say Ghana for no they say the hospitals no they say say no mo ye o Ghana o se see and nyanom asem we di wo abeti bia na mesro unipa bi o abrocha o ba bia na o kwakwa test ne bia no try so be bona man ye say di wo ye no Gucci ho no eno no why and me send it me text a ina omo de ma me nyina me send any abroche de ni nyina de ama bona obi ya de ahwe de ko so Ghana ho
Mu nyina so
why enti no
mu nyina so me ko yi another audio
enti be call test no me ye negative
yo
enti jamini
yo ye da ase enti okoye test no o ye negative obi am se mu nyina masoma enti no se mu nyina so me ko yi another audio na maba mu nyina so se ameba.
Okay. And yeni di Emmanuel Asare Kuma. Me jini say di na no. Okay. Me so yedi
Obia entie asem we yenu ana ye be kana asem ye friend Emmanuel Asare Kuma. Ghana healthcare asem na yegusu aye ka no. Yegusu aye ka healthcare asem. Say ade a abia boy obia atibi nya ekoso enye no wuchi pe. There are so many places that the papa wo ho but any papa nya support wo memu ha. This a wudi nkwasi asem and obenya nkofo mo ma support wo. But once I will try say we papa no nkofo do musika sponsor nkofo so mo attack wo. Me hu no bebre because me hu ade a me asema ye kan me nim ade enti anyansa ni bi betena ase say oya again but omu nyina na asoma mo 20 Ghana what you say enti no eno ya kan eno awie mo kai say omemu ha obi yare me yesi wenya brain tumor na wenya no ya ginisika yesi je ekokra machine fi South Africa ba ye de bie ni trim doctor no de machine ni baaye o gisika no de machine ni baaye obi nipa ni trim wase machine na sei na wasan apam say afi na okọ craft for aba obi say sound ana sound ni okay obi say sound ni okay ana sound ni okay ana obi comment say sound ni okay me sure say yeah afi na okọ craft machine no efi South Africa but yasan apam nipa ni ti nipa a wenya brain we na ye bie ne tinu mu machine na say yasan akata so ne apam biem say ye kokra foforo nda ho chale guys munya abotre anioma bi wo ho a eye woni ete kakra 37 no na 37 hospital omo ayade doctor no yapam no ba Michael Jackson doctor no ade na oyeye na ye say waye ntia Michael Jackson ewu no endunia we ye no endunia we ye no kwata hwe amai ma ye we afi we ya ye to afi last year be ya ye to ye Ghana for dia ye ade bia kire politician say enya free ni ade no politician Ghana for ni nyina epe o mampani bia ne ni so ohia obetumi use some radicality asesa ne o ma bi civil service ni ade no akonfo o mo ba nipa dodo na e wo fom no woman free SHS woman free water woman free light woman NAPCO and funny who or pep mampani bia obetumi ne nan si fom I take some action bi what you say etino enipa no bebre ho mo ye papa o but ade na sa doctor we ye e man ye nipa e kana sam ni nipa no wu ye no Michael Jackson doctor no ko jail no wanya sa ade no kota o ye say negligence keke o negligence no abrochi na nye keke o but say ubetumi abie nipa tirim na so machine na sent wasan apam e de na koto ho e kan say ye nko crafo from ra na Ghana for na Ghana for mo ma kan se me nkyere mo politicians mo mahu musuban o enti no oba power on edu time ye nanado edu time bia mo me nka no edu time ye Mahama edu time ye nanado bo mo hu se ade bia o ye bia mo ankasa nipa na bebo am no nkwa mo ya against na se me koka say the whole central region almost CT scan back na crofo di matter o say da bi me see the whole central region omo ni CT scan na crofo ba Facebook o me di matter say da bi e wo back this country till me see the whole central region CT scan about the whole central region the whole central region with all the thousands of people that live in central, if not million, there is no CT scan in central region. People of central region, about million. There are millions of people living in central region. And I remember through Facebook say, "Omu ni CT scan ba kokra in the whole region." Till we have problem, I just said, "Go to ambulance, move bank crime." Now kofo nya abotra betra Facebook di matem say, "Omu wo ba ko." So you are happy that some meme boakra 1 million people have one CT scan, one in a country where 275 MPs have 275 V8s. Muti your memu hanam beka chem say ye ni ambulance de bia na mesu na politicians obi a V8 ye ni ambulance ye kota ambulance ba na mbe dia me na obi a camera see no so say ye nkodi a plus atem we ye hwan because makoka ambulance na outdoor no hu hia nti no yen no we ni ewu ambulance ya kofa wo kasa dodo na yen kasa dodo a ye be ye to aba wi ye wo area kwan bo nsa se afi contract na start ye kokwasa so ye beto aba no na weekend holiday bibia oye adwuma be to aba no wi na fi da open oba say ye din omo be ye da bia o se ye kasa Rollins ye younger than us no ye cool nyensa yen ntumi nkasa keke yen pese ye cool ye pento kwa kasa keke be kasa na enyoma asesa no so ye kasa nipa na be bo om no omo edwa. But ni papa be brace wo man ni munti ye be kasa ma sankrofo no wa wuntie no ko ena wuntie so be ya wo ya because the bia be kasa wen hia me on follow me Facebook obe hia me obe call Google which wo ade no Oprah news obe hia me wo so ena ho no so me ka na be ya wo ya unim say TPP na me ye no obi a support me papa cry and support me o ana unim say me papa cry and support me o say me jai sa ade no na me mo me bra me forget it. Na Ghana for no forget omu me papa crash me forget it ade no ye omu ntie o to forget it enso still me ye wo na obeka den obi me papa kan sam je no ntie wo betina kan sam me yes ah hey say there your bosom no be ye say 1/3 nipa and can you like bosom kwa maybe catch you say the whole of central region is any CT scanner, then you are proud to come and tell me that oh yeah we can draw 1 million people have 1 CT scan 1 so MP per 600,000 Ghana cedi 6 billion as gracia or per 6 billion as gracia, and you are happy with this MP. You don't like Kwame Plus. Me imagine my bedroom as gracia. You don't like Kwame Plus. You like the MP who is taking 6 billion as pension. And yes, I'll just 6 billion as pension forever. Every 4 years, Biano or co pension, or just 6 billion. No, I can't start here. You may be every 4 years, or just 6 billion. No, I started. Who pound once and won't pay Kwame Plus? Who need CT scan? Who need hospital? Who MP per 6 billion as gracia? Obi a yare. My member voice no. Temper no cost this year dear. My member voice. Munti ade we ka kra bi ni atoa so.
Aboko wo na wonam. Wa mane e.
Inti close to 2 months ni. And me ba kroma. Na asemi na ne say na me brother na ne home fa no. Inti ne home fa no no. Ye de me call CNJ hospital. And run a scan no who say or brain tumor.
Brain tumor
or brain tumor. Into the brain tumor no Krumhano Accra referral hospital say they call either Kolebu 37. Hopefully Ridge Hospital me Nyashio.
Okay.
Into no a banisa no much referral and say Yanko 37.
Okay.
Into no
referral from CNJ
from CNJ home. They call 37. Intino no na mini krum ha intino my sister nini kum busian for kakram le koye
munti
koye no mo ye omo initial assessments ni ade intino omunya neurosurgeon ba ko ho to hwe asem no say we dey obi here emergency surgery intino obi ka emergency surgery that time kana me brother to me bie nani and assessment ne so no say so ye surgery na obi here be 10 pints of blood.
Wow.
Into no all kind of sana no just 10 pints of blood go akunya we. Into no cry no ye all students. Na me to money. Say we dey emergency. Into no say na eba beba. Into eba ne sana no. And no surgeon no. Ka tell my sister say akwa emergency no. Line na wo ho na wa. Omo line so for surgery na wa. Into no. So what you have 40,000 Ghana cedis there. Me to high amount them.
40,000 cedis.
40,000 cedis.
It's you for ahwefo me nuanom mamembo break wa ha. Hano mamembo break. Ade na ye wo no. Enye se bia ye be ya chew free na ye delay wo. Ye je wo 40,000 Ghana. Nipa sign na wo mem ha wo 40,000. Mo amunam ho amhwe mi nyina obia nhwe nachi. Na twere wo Facebook we so se wo hwe wo chi a wo hu 40,000. Enipa ma ye donation amom wo Facebook we na ye ne ya we ti ye ne ya we ya yese donation amagya mwo amabo nipa wo Facebook se me enne yesi 100,000 yesi 200,000 enne yesi 300,000 mo nipa ba ko betua se me ami ni bia omo betua adofo abe se yesi Kwame Plus ade bia ye no na ye hia sika be buso no we wan guy ya odrodro yi yes ye hia sika dia ko hwe speed and for the donatis kama no ye wonam fofo e bibia but se miankasa mentua mesika po a wonkofo betua wo but nipa sen no mo wo sika ni bi ena nipa sen no mo wonkofo betua na sen me nipa bi tema kidney issue si wo mo mengo ade be tia from se jai afi ni ye be gigi ntobo a wawu na sen me maami bi ayi ono so tema echi ho ba bi bibi cancer wawu omu nibi doctor say kofa 40,000 ebra na nkofo na ko organize 25,000 the ama doctor no part payment omde man wi no bien de see here obi antie bi for obi no betie bi
400 million old cities.
Yes.
Okay.
Into no say for 25,000 ebra
Down
payment bra. Which mean we can work on it. Into na ho uka say busuafo e kika yiti bom ina enya sika ni bi nti weekend crown ye rekoye no jisika no o ma ya we say any za week mo no any surgeries be Mondays into no hopefully no obehwe no I surgery no per se or assemble a crack team. Meaning say other neurosurgeons no more fancy Kolebuani are to be your mother together. Now or my surgery. Yes, and I'm hope. I regime say be ye. And you do so. Day of the surgery do so no. Anyamba so. And we defer say no per crack team into hopefully no by Friday no man by close to another week no by
no the whole
so ambaso. No sir it defer or postpone here call the next Monday.
Enti nipa no yare da ho no ya man the time I was say yes surgery da no so ye no ya yes surgery no afi ye say on train na Monday ay on train na ye nya crack team no enti ye ntumi yes surgery no ye ntumi aye ne sai ye two ne share the following Monday ina che say nipa no yare no wada ho 2 weeks no we nya brain tumor wada ho 2 weeks ya and audio we ye be boni nyina obi antie bi na say ye ka Ghana asema eya wa support na ochina bi no bia na nya wo a na ye obusuani nyankopon ote ho no ohwe bibia o ye che Paul ene esuafo ni bi na ye de omukọ ahemfo ni panifo ni nim no ibisa senti we no yen omodan ene pani ba ko sore ye na se munja omo ade na omo ye no se mfiri nyame a eno abeku sa na ka se munja omo ne omo ye no se mfiri nyame eno abeku entitie bi na forget Kwame Plus na won pen asem no eno any problem omo tro Ghana constitution no omo nim say you obi an betumi apewasem and whenever Mark Twain what kind Mark Twain book your friend say to the equator something to the equator or say whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority it's time to pause and reflect. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it's time to pause and reflect. And so the framers of our constitution knew that you can never, or it is not even advisable to find yourself on the side of the majority before you become president of Ghana. So they said once you can get 50% of total vote cast plus 1, you are okay to be president of Ghana. So even to be president, you don't need anybody. In Jasmine America right now, no, I don't need everybody. I just want you to listen. Nyame no, say free nyame and no be good. Obi eni wiase obi timi ya wiase ya hihya to ho wo benam no what steady no what follow destiny no enti no enye otan enye odo eya asam na ye ka no tie
no se na homfa no afi ne homfa no say postpone call a week after.
That is doctor no neurosurgeon.
Yes, neurosurgeon.
After some we are 25,000
yes interdia here emergency no sisi an ye di no be 2 weeks.
2 weeks
interfe do be 2 weeks no
ni na no brother we hin
ni na no neuro ward
on admission
that
was 37.
Yes.
Okay
interfe ordinary theater no omo one anesthesia ani bibia ma ne die no see machines no the bible starting now anya adwuma nti say you know esa ba award
ebuzafo aja say we doctor we na make say ye na di no machines no dey be ye adwuma ya wo na anesthesia no like me nim say bia nkofo nte ade no ase a wo de wo nte ase a nyabotre na fi start hwehwem sa anesthesia no ye wo ne ade na ekiresen ye be won surgery ana emana omo akwa awo so no omo ye CS no ye wo pani ase na bia ye twa wade na wonte enti no ya wo na anesthesia no ne ade nyina eti se wawu na ya wia eduro na ko mu awie no na ya ka kire wo se ayi ye friend saying ayi machine no anya adwuma chalive Feni Jonah say efuo mu ho no moma yenye efuo no na nye krom enye se ye ne Feni Jonah beko na asam de no kra de ya ne tie ya no kra bi enu a ne tie de no kra ne tie ya enti efuo mu no eya efuo mu na bekrom woti abrochire na wudidi Feni Jonah atem no ade wei esi wa abrochire a wonim ne ebe to doctor no ya woni pano anesthesia ne ade nyina wie ye woni wie ya yesi machine no ye adwuma enti e o se ye gya no ma ne da ho ni so tsena na fe ya san afa no muntie o de ye audio no ye boni nyina muntie
ena obe recover no so machines na anya adwuma no o crab fi South Africa nti eba neurosurgeon no
or cram machines or the best surgery no emergency surgery
o se drill bi
ni pana ayare na ye de no call hospital no ye ka kire ne say ade na ye no eye emergency enye sa wo bewu ade na ye wo na ye emergency ya ye wa wo bewu ya the emergency no first one doctor here second time doctor here third one doctor say o yare ne ho mfa no nti o ntumi ye afi de ye de no kwani abɔ ne pane ya ye machine ni ye afi ye kokra machine nipa na ye o say ye surgery emergency no afi we di more than 1 month e wo hospital ye to aso
into no on mine till the next week hopefully now ba week ni do you know
Yes.
drill this one ba and I feel or see only surgical glue how the be surgery no into surgical glue yet to be fi the United States US and then you be over and yet into within 2 days no none is can glue surgical glue or the be surgery in this year no when you surgical glue also say o machine or cry no enyaba into no hopefully no ubetimi I surgery
Obit surgery no.
e do so no day of the surgery do no suppose only biom until this time around they finally no or the brother called theater into a train yeah
And that was after about 1 month, right?
close to a month yeah
Close to a month.
excuse me into a fee or then the call theater no yeah train up to about 7-8 hours or the number order just say or started surgery no try or pine team in area you know or you should drill not drill machine no a jay a say
Hey, Nyabotre. Say, or then the
se mi se mi tia na me ho eye me bibi hwe mo tia asem ni ye meto aba wie ye pe na ye ka gidi na kuma ye gidi tension wo krom nkrofo ye sei na me say wampeni dada mama tia se cause won nim ya me meti nkrofo bofu o mem ha papa enti no se nkrofo bofu enti se noma bi se ikoso awon nkofo bi kura ti baabi me kan ya se ogbon se na nkofo bi ya ade bi ne ade ahyewo nkofo bu afu koso man hui enoma bebre wo mu a edi ntokwa si other countries aha no nkofo habo ache no bebre koso a ye se ye bie nipa ni trimu na ye yi wadwen ye bie wadwen mu ato ho no na doctor aka kire o se machine ne jaye dwuma ye chese ade we oman ben na anye afuo mu a ebi betumi asi wo into no instead of say ye ne Hweni Jonas be kono moma yen kire yen bom modern say be mampanifo no adane afuo no estate yen because eye afuom ene ebe bie ni patrim na ye bie wubusuani ni trim awie no na aka kire o say machine na yan ye kokra ba ye no for emergency surgery no machine ne jaye dwuma ye yen to aso
say theater. After almost about 1 month, you know, and I opine training. And by that time, I want to know me. Was here one number? Yes. No, you're unconscious. And you opine the trim, and also opine the trim. Oh yeah, day.
oh yes or the drill
Oh yes, sir. You the drill ne simono, and I drill ne say.
it was a community no and yes in the bar ward
Na ni so tell no. Or permanent no.
or permanent ni so better no
Okay.
odin come fine into honey who send na ho into mo run a test and I'm say when ya DVT on DVT which is a deep vein thrombosis
And you day.
and on a blood clot
Ewo ne nine mu. Okay.
and it's a very serious you know about the sana is emergency way or it me and say yango cardiothoracic unit omo procedure bi omo ye on my kolebu $5,500 also tia and say yes procedure no into a corner yes procedure no and yes buy just buy no and then now still into that is na say a compression socks ne ye elevating in 9 you know obon komo or ye bibia fine into after a week a little over a week and finally no neurosurgeon or surgery no you see when you are the mercy of some of these professionals utie you know advice your colleagues no na yetie you know we're seeking second opinions because you see another nature and at the time no tama or surgery first surgery na when you know we no na me wo akwantu but I couldn't bear it anymore as a brother. It's no me to me take it at the chia na by It's me buy say at least yes you have a share the cost. You know, oh ba you are giving the benefit of the doubt. You know, who busa around sentinel surgeon, you know, because oh yeah, with the investigation background, yes, oh you good, yes, you say this, but Nipa no sure assemble practice. What? But at least no, if it's a team, no, we yeah. No, no, to me, hopefully, no, a bit defer to before I'll be on the spot to me.
And you know, Nadia say, surgery, it me a double track. It me a surgery double track, a woman, like you surgery, but you have first half. And yes, you have first surgery now, say ye, and maybe a second, or see a cobble panel be like me a debut. Surgery back on ano, you know, double track system. Doctor, ni be with trimmer. Na the machine I say no wa pam with na bom no do akoto ho afi no o san kokra machine foforo on san ni glue oni glue surgical glue na ye de be so ade no o manya yetimi MP4 airpay S gracia 6 billion ya kwa me plus na nipa boni na no so no kasa dodo no chare come back can say na say we restraining order abam Kwame plus na nipa boni ni ntino but yet your man your biggest military hospital in ni grow nti we MPP ni na we ga like enya na say na bron ye say na MPP o to talk as na ware na nkofo we disc abron ye de okan de normal won ono de okan mu bumfu ono de e okay odidi mu atam na say de bia na say fadi say nkofo to dan ma wo ge so abrochi MPP ministers ni ade eno de mu ndwa e won na me kan na ye we hwe we pray fucking heaven, you will need free so. You will need free heaven so. So heaven do a baby, you will need. Niafa de ni abron ye air canon and your problem one. Now will be near a wuna me can and your problem. When the mammy who you will know that bet 2 1. Now saying papa be Osman will be some country and say, me casado do na minya butre. Minya butre, me, or some casado na minya butre. Na bibia be you okay. Na mama nyesa na migu aban n'anim ase anche bia na nasemba he na nipa na afra me say oh unipa say enka I was so kebi ma no na so mo kana ye no kre na me say me ye din a enka me wo platform na me kebi ama no endru so de a say ye kan na ye wo dade a wo say nya abotre edru so no de kwa me plus ko kebi ma me kan de yapon asem kan o say me this system me obi antumi mfa me use me for the personal interest obi antumi use me ntumi nkon for akufo ado ambition na say hwan ambition no be adia Dr. Baumi apɛ wo mem and na me so me pew it mean you can't use me can ye be bo nipa so wo wo hono person di president me so person di president Rollins di president no we use form no need degree o man we so 19 years do to me be kan chem say ya to aba me kua don ko akostandi bi obi a standi bi Kwame plus ukotena social media adia how ne say Kwame when we say t-shirt ya twom Kwame 2024 say 2024 say MP na meko say den yo wegwa oman ayetimu a oman ayetimu a ye wo gold wo diamond wo bibia ye ni surgical glue e wo hospital ye ni glue na nka wonim nyansa nka woda no pa bia no asɛn ni message say Kwame nyame nhira wo ye ni glue wo oman ni mu ye ni obi obetumi akasa ye nje oman ni say ya obi asuro bia na ifo be chew ran ifo be chew me de maka so maka de bia me ka kire nkrofo say me na me ni papa wo ba me de nkofo bebre paade bi dia yade bi o ba muntu me famfa me so da do your national security na me ka kire straight nkofo bebre mpese ye demonstration akese ne ade enti media say me come asem na sa wo be ende eno what attack me a look we will start putting people out we will start because asem na ye kan nya asem na ye ka kire no me ye say bulldog you chere wachi lipa ba ko aso me have a constituency I'm telling you that me am on the ground put me am hwe because asem na me kan no me kan wasem na me kan asem moni bia o me kan asem e be bo man no enti obi mumfa ha no munkope ha no obi ani wo betu am hwe because me if you touch me it will be chaotic what you say you can't catch me alone hwe mu amuna ho mo ye na parliament na we say unni obi a o ye kan asem e be bo man no man we ye nyina ye dia enye obi a dia ntumi obi antumi hunahuna me nipa bre wo man mu ha dodo if you attack me look ebeye gidigidi sa na best start kakra sa ebeye bebre untumi sa no telling you me I'm not afraid of anybody in this country and the West is yet to come the West but the West can be democratic it mumi onye nyina yenye democratic but I open to kwa dia apu me
But you will say Ankoyanisa and Cobra and say what delay whole process. Until finally we said you know. Now say my brother will recover ICU. Now say ICU you didn't know. I will say right away no to me making sure say surgery no. Scan no more surgery na kusi saying. Nipa life support seen is only 37. Omo CT scan machine enye ejuma.
37
enye ejuma. Inti na wo say ye de life support in many seen so. Ye de to ambulance mo. Ye de ko sunshine e wo airport.
En kwasi asem. Ben, en kwasi asem. En kwasi asem. Ya yes surgery na wie. Finally akoya breni po yare wada ho sa wa bresa. Finally ya yes surgery ni wie ya. I was happy the machine training to me say bibia yoka. Ya say 37 hospital CT scan in ya adwuma. CT scan no nya adwuma ntino life support na esi nipa no so life support no me ya na minim say go for be ntino be biasia life support na kire say wo no wo komo like we be the machine na esi wo so and the machine no na airboa wo ma we breathe like and no ma wo life o but one kasa wo da ho no wonnim hwe nti ya tam nipa na oda ho so funu no and ya tam life support machine no aka ho and ya de nipa no ne machine ni machine na ahye ambulance mu and ya de na call private sunshine akoye scan the whole 37 military hospital Aban hospital kesiye ACT scan asay CT scan asay enti no ya phone nipa no ato ambulance mu plus life support machine no enyina esi ambulance mu traffic mu wen kuku ya koye ne CT scan na ya say obia yedin wo memu ha obia yedin mo bia nkasa woko kapo bi say wokra yeto abama no ye president asa na obey we hu police am robbers say omu wi ade am robbers wi ade no wakwa catch police for say police am robbers na she omu wi ade na police na catch say ofi okọ wo so wonye tu a obey am robber. Does it make any sense? Does it no make sense? Does it make sense? Police say am robbers e she fie we mo rob obi omu be ku nipa me say fia wokra wonye tu a wo so be am robber ntiko. That what sense is in that? I'm telling you that this is what is going on. Usunya power baby. I don't want to abama me. Ya tam aban ni CT scan. But when the problem no, in most of these cases, CT scan no, me need doctor anya china kolebu. I know how it works. CT scan no, aban enya akufo no ba be say no. Nipa na ye adwuma ho na be say CT scan no. On be say no. Se ne be ya, wo ba na so ye scan na ya direct to baby say ko ha na koye. Se ne be ya hofo no be nyiska. No ma che. Nipa na ban de on be make sure so ma say no. Na wunya this wunya mampani a o chiwa like ya chiwa ya court ya chiwa na ya do ko. Na wunya mampani a de bia oye na na do ne why bote me kokazo me papa so no. O ja se bi time na e call off na fi ya kan agwen. But 4 years now say na do they building a legacy. Na do has a legacy to be wa bre me de be ma catch am for say ade me fe wo mamu ha. Ade ya me ni je wo mamu ha. This me say na do ba. Na police ne soldier for ne moto di nanim na win we si form no nante no okọ because papa na bre na me dey say wo bre na wunya me dem hu obi a was struggle because me motto you never give up. Usim so dey be besi oni so obeya. Don't ever give up until you achieve it, so long as it's the right thing. Enti bra na do ya no enoma wakom hwe do mahama se bra obre dachi bi na so ase be the president. I am happy for him, not because he's going to change Ghana. I'm not happy because I'm confident that he's going to change Ghana or anything. I'm not happy that Akufo-Addo is going to do anything. But I'm just happy for that motivation, you know. So me I'm happy me wunta nanado me the nanado there uni me wunso oba na me ni adi ho ne dem hweba oba start so oba kasa no me dum no because oba catch and say Ghana export aduane. I don't want to hear that one. Me person met sekura Ghana export aduane bia enti president no di no oba na me ni adi start so kasa na me ye firo me person metie metra na metie papa no kra ntra kire me me person metie kura enti no the whole hospital CT scan does not work. I say si ho entokwa me start say me ku 2017 mo ba kanya Yesu Kristo ewu kọ no say Messiah no na ewu no nipa onipa ba enti wo mfa ni nyina ye example Kwame Nkrumah wu kọ ye ansa na ye hu say say na Kwame Nkrumah ba obra ye ku ntokwa wo kolebu ya nkrofo ba omu create all sorts of stories lies like all sorts of fake stories and they create all these stories. Yeah, quite, yeah, and go for yeah, me kwame A plus, no kwame A plus. Na ye kulebu oxygen asem na America, and from a nipa oxygen machine I say for 3 years. Yeah, the oxygen no, yeah, the good canister money the besi ho. 1 week and I buy air boka na auto. I buy boka na auto no obi business ni so no beton oxygen ama buy it machine ye money ye adwuma ya say no. Na obi aba na wa be ya ade ni yi a, say onu mom ni ye yi na di. Na me dwana na me dwawo. Yes, ade na me dwana na say ah nana ade asay 3 years. Nipa na ba na onu aba ya ade ni within 2 weeks. Every month be a motor 100,000. Nipa na ba within 2 weeks onu afa no bottom ska wa ya ade ni ye. Afa de ye. Unim say anko from be kan trust of God papa na say o maduma. From na no motor ma hospital ni de bia no. Papa na be end this ade no. Say aban ntua say sika no mo biem. E jo be kan trust A plus ne papa no so. Na wo experience. Oh, yeah, but I buy na wubu na koyi ma. Now we Dr. Anya Momedi. Na me grab sin now say and I say Dr. Anya me papa no no na do nya me papa me kan am dey see o Dr. Anya na asam man post na waje. Apu. No kwaji post no. I said that be friend me call baby. Like now the pam person mo bi samina say yama Dr. Anya post I say because they knew that so just post now fireworks but doctor there me papa. You know whatever he does no. No I any penny no I because doctor say no catch them so be just post now an can another come find the post onim doctor yan knows I tell a doc don't even try it you know omo nyina omo organize ade bi na omo dem question cantonment ho baby ale when yeah asa me metin yo ma me hu yo me kan sama kire wa ti asam no won te hwe wu hwe me na me ba ka kire wo tie me na me nche o man ni mu kire wo I on bet me at no my money on mobile. Yeah, twice.
Trying to CT scan, yes, twice. Now even the journey from the hospital to CT scan, ambulance, airport, P. Just say, yeah, Makwine. Just say, me boy for him and person me PF car. Just say, you have a critically ill patient or Dakam. Ambulance, airport, siren, cars and Makwine. I even have videos. It's now say, on maneuver, sa, ya doctor kaho, anesthesiologist kaho, critical care nurse kaho. And son, I was saying, didn't cook CT scan. Maybe then say, what the critical care staff, CT scan, your mom more so. You see, a priority, you know, I said, the 37 military hospital,
yes,
a supposed model hospital,
yes,
run by the military,
yes.
CT scan, I say,
yes,
and I say,
Matisa say, from the Matisi here, so no, Omu CC, Masachi CC. What I say, but
no credit, say, almost CC. They say, almost CC, money, yeah, penny for now, more honor, almost to me, CC idea, no, or my idea. But how did it even break down? And if you take critical care for no, not the only good ambulance, Muse, would you almost call CT scanner? Almost go on, almost yet. What I said, let us almost go on, they can just die. Almost can just die. And then, yet what so you are? You can't say me.
But you see, Rebecca said, oh, 37 years, yes, in college, because you know, it's a hospital experience, you know. This is my first time I'm saying that because let me feel where we are. Even in this process, you know, they say labs, we have labs, we also call lab koji container, no. Now, say by a tremojanimal crana, say Muja Yachukra, they say gloves when you are the crana, sometimes we bear hands, say they are ashamed, who could deny mu. What could deny well so tia? Ubet you now, de Mojano, Ebeko finally, yes, Mojana clotty.
And when you 37 assembly,
okay. Yes. It's also Sako back, near Sako another one. You know, times be honoma, Obako Strano, or that ICU, you know, finally, no, no, intubation. Because now, tubes nana, a shen and numia, the nomufu sena, ama, the airway hono, a home queen, so much me trap the hanomode tube ne film. Into connect to the beer ventilator one from an obowa. Flames near the beam. Sometimes we know not as intention near the word. You know, what call Serrano after 3:30? No, while we visitor, no woman now, I was catching a say, oh, on section, a hano. Next say, I was no home if a near man kitten one time say, me call lead now air connected to the chest on multimedia reading heart rate, lead net to me catch a nurse fine say oh I did here to or me no sre I'm say asma me cano I mean what is funny about it
nurse
well I find out say me wine so what I say but in all this no there were some very dedicated staff I met to me say me to me chair mom they were working hard but I say kakrana almost say anymore biano. Oh, Olivia bad taste. You say you live with the bad memories.
No.
But so yeah, Juma pa. You say under the circumstances, under the resources are say inka resources ne kakra they can do extremely well. But ni na until one weekend me call you say connector na e won e ha no. Say na wenya your friend is saying Asempa FM. Oh me no na enkoyi. Nti no mu yi trachea tube. And I'm some section ho. To me trachea tube ni san share no. At least where special be on the windpipe.
Yeah.
I have pictures here. It's the very thing on Asempa FM. And from ano, you see a go through the skin. Into I'm connected to ventilator no. Ne who from ano. Pacho Madam Roma. Into no. Baby I dey and from ano be share na be ma nipa na home no. Omu yiye. E wo hospital ho. Omo yiye no na omo sign the share na omo de share no omo amfan connect baby a e bomb from akọ ni mu no ade no mistaken no e ko share na skin no emu una oye doctor omo de ya sade mo de share aha yes ye de share wind pipe no mu ha asam na meka no ene asam na meka no yes be am sorry am better me Facebook mo doctor ni ti ha mo doctor ni ti ha doctor ni so me mamu hu na ni mu da men's the metal boys. Yes, I say the shaha, the shawa. Na abo enframano eko wum. Ade na tu. Omo de kwhye. Omo ntumi amfa connect yi. Nti ekwhye na skin no mu. Ene huhu nipa no. Enframano bo ya na ehu skin no se baalu. Se han ye afuo mu a twero wa ha se Twini Jonas. Oye jimifo. Se han ye afuo mu a twero. Se han ye afuo mu a yesi ya frɛ no tre choose din wa nya afi na mbetre tre choose to me so ma o ja se yesi ade na akɔhyɛ ne skin no mu ɛna ehuhu nipa no no wayɛ sɛ baalu tie tina fe hu ne sɛ baalu intimi because before now question a frame you briefing me say me call mama nya alarmed and you see in the interactions at the ICU are very specialized unit. Most of my interactions in now were with residents. Sometimes we especially think senior doctor be would brief. It was only when this incident happened that I had a senior doctor brief me on something. Interactions in now you're with residents, critical care unit. There was one time see a Kowan Ajini paid Rubinia, Ichia Port Clinic when you don't see a chair. Nti pie interactive with night nurses near the nti yakona nurse back friend was mpacho mokola mo bompa e mai was mo bompa e mai it was deep so I didn't me bompa e uti asie nti no me call Sunday me hu say me brother we hu sa no
and what that means ne say omodi tube ne share back no
and cut through the windpipe
and nipa no so ehu or they say mo ana
and cut through the windpipe. I don't know how long it took. Internet Huno Obi, this is him before. Me press the camera so because this is him before. You could see saying on Asempa FM.
After say omo be a ventilator no na eye ni say.
Anopa me call anopa no just say on your cardiac arrest.
The omo catch no.
Yes. But say you true so on your cardiac arrest to say ohwe and me bufuye. I would say me call blank to say me hushi. Looking at the processes that started from postponement of surgery, stories.
And you know, the idea na share. Na fan she am from anabwa manipana ya ne surgery na wie no. From anabwa huhu na ya ne se baalu awu huhu da ho. Ade tinye wawu. 37 for my idea. Doctor no ye yinedi. I was saying with jail by now. I don't even know why that doctor is not in jail. I don't know why the nurses and the family has not been compensated. I don't know why. But Ghana, a dying to make sure of France. Now your man Peniatro, condolence was a dying message to all dying. Now accident is working tampon and the past 7 days we need to create near Kataso, ye DNA near the Omo family. There, me never be prayer making woman how. And whoever does not understand this simple issue, it is your own problem. A dying issue of France, near Tro, whatever. In the past 7 days in a day, we don't value Ghanaian lives. You value Ghana lives, so it doesn't matter. Anybody can die. You're normal. You're two aba, nani patre. One police, you bomb to no more. You be some penny for the other almost because all your criminals, the more and yet, but near George Floyd or your American near the number, your bomb mem has a year a year, I didn't hear because police fought Tata before our brutality into Black Lives Matter and ye begin the year. The pace will default to be prison 5 times. Mutu me who be chrome ni no, and then the chrome police for Nekona. Yaction or resist the arrest now. Nam so awu no or no dear on your criminal. Now obi okojina police station or koye dede na ya tutu awu no or your normal we were a criminal because nipa no can say asam no and then that's why first deputy speaker of parliament the same person that can say who kotun for some year galamsey a maybe some question kwa bom tu okun omo yeah ni penifo born ni penifo fon di pa fon onti ase no bra me wa ha onti ase no for phone and no friend me say family plus you show because what's the first deputy speaker of parliament or your phone me na come say you nipa phone or you nipa phone so until asia some no can say omo ewu no omo ye criminal omo a ukotun krofo garam say na politicians be sika ye shoma ye bom tu nipa phone until asia no friend me say bra na ye be say me voice bi amekuta won no me hwehwe bibi mana ye gidi keke na me de amadu aye fam na we for ne za mo ngina mo kra na afi de bibi antintom kra ma mo try me wo ka kire mo za dan mo na mo ti no se me ja tum kra na di ba bia me anam ti na me ka sa no we nya se me twere bibi o mo fa audio no na mo hwem yie ene mo se mo adwuma ye pa mba hwem because mo mpa no kra wo ma mu ha mo mpa ni for bone mo mpa no kra o man pani bia ba ma mu ha so be ye adwuma ni nyina me da me say Mahama ne Akufo-Addo ne ade om ye nipa ba ko Ghana bone wo di Jesus Christ ba se ne nua ye de ohun so ye ka che na na se na ye taiwachi o gina wona so na ye ade o pese o ye no se say nana he has nothing to lose nothing na se metia according to Asase Radio nana do bet minister so by 30%. It was that so tiny plus. And yes, when Macan said, "We bet Mahama ministers dorsum, we be increasing with the ano, Mahama ministers dorsum, we be increasing." And you have any year better so. But and you the same thing in America. Into 1 hour time for them. And I wouldn't have to train Tiasam na year canoe. She nipa could true idea we were men. We ye Yamatio, the pre-coso. And for the first time, you said, Doctor, no, ye nedi. Doctor no, ye nedi. But young to me, ye nedi keke. What happens to the family? What about Doctor no, Namhono? I didn't America do better to prison. So wait me up for hide for ye some secret practice. There was some private hospital be and I don't know what for yes surgeries. Now we take a crash over bottom. It was here local, you do share them. They say doctor, they say I generalize, want to me practice be only idea, but we bet me be a private hospital. No, no kun for. So we be some for 37 I'm say doctor, ni put your man chef on. Hey, for ebusuan for ho asam ne ye kan sa no. Ko for ebusuan for ho asam ne ye kan sa no. Wo na obi kasa 37 no se hwe. Sa doctor no. Ni put your man chef on. Obi anim, onam ho sa ye den. O se ye chi ni tum. It is not enough to sack him and take his license. It is not enough. Look at what this family are go through. Papa na or kasa or voice way muno. Wa say me message papa no wa ya so person na me kasa. Owura enya se me hu yo. Me hu bibia o. Message a wo send me nyina me hu ne all this smart Richard nyina me ti o. Na me hu the way I message okra no akasa like em ahomete. Eya me mobo. Say me beton mo massa repeat story we. Eya me mobo em ahomete. Enti na won tell me nka no. on say ya kasa ba aku bi eno anu no aden ni bitimi a chino man mu say nti yen de ye your man ni ya yen your man ni ye yen ye na problem no yen penifo no problem ye nipa na da achi obeyare akọ 37 ne kolebu no ye ka asem we no ne de ne say kwame plus de he we den ho ye mahi me huntumi ye won hi o nipa bebre pe masem o mam ka asem chiro na me meye no ene ne awo be ka na nchange hwe because nipa no magima to mu deda nipa dodo no magima to mu deda o enti wo no wo beti on tie fa me ho bible kakraka da hoyi wo fa bonsam okun nipa 10 Genesis to Revelation, what can I say? Bonsam nipa 10 okuam. Eno kra na e chacha, oni nyame to bet. Nyame na ka kira bonsam se, kona koku kwaji bibia wo Job ho. Fa Job bibia ne kra de memfa wonsanka. Eno okun ne man 10. Enti se na e chacha between oni nyame de a, eno eno kra betumi acha ne 5. Nyame de 5, ne de 5. Nti bekem kra na wohwem ye kra, bonsam nipa 5 no okun wom. Wohwem ye nipa 5. According to Bible na mo kan. But bibia na nsuyire ni yekunwe wa ha ni ayese wa ha na ayi Sodom and Gomorrah ni nyina nyame bato bia pe nyame asem nyame ye loving nyame ye righteous nyame ye patient nipa na ji wutuma ya ji watum me nipa dodo pe masonti na wo be kan change hu enu ti na megina na maka kire aban ne se aban ye asase na President Mahama na yese wasan wonim hwe o si hospital si so wo Kumasi no President Mahama be hu se 37 hospital you cause strike and cause strike. It is that kind of military hospital no mon cause strike. You hear back on the northern side of Ghana and also back want to come for not to cause strike right. Still now hospital and nothing na President Mahama eba obe hu say for no the assassin be my president could force on fancy hospital. Atamos ba betwa sword but with me ayehwe and nyame friend no. Me Mahama me beto aso and see hospital here about 70% of it. 70% or this is our hospital in this year. About 70% will see hospital. Ukumase, Utikumase, Achipalago, catcher mono. Utikumase, we Mahama ye. Utikumase, so we Mahama ye. And Yamahama and Kakidit a Asafo. Sasa for the cookidit yao. Say, I will wear new. Even though any of Monisico, but no Geo Monisico, by idea about Bomunano. A good time, Bianca said, oh, I deal with dear Mahama ye or Yadia. And yes, I made them MP need to make me, made them NDC need to Jimmy and I mean, I put for the other Papa promise here yet. Papa is the hospital now to 70%. And yen is sick out, it's yet to me born some man, but or your man is sick, no, DBA, and you say, okay, wait, your man is scared, Papa. Sunday, you can't Dubai or Hennes or your man is scared, your mind. Sam will be so hard, your man is scared, Papa, Becca said, or your man is scared, Papa, and you see up to like 70%. Send a baby by Joa. Oh, Akufo-Addo buy na wo ye nyina de ne buy no ye nyina de Akufo-Addo buy no o buy no nka o se ogigi sika no de koto aso anaso o toy no so no o se okosi cathedral na yesi ya ntiase ya ne ko cathedral ho de bia cathedral kwa me plus ya ko apart from that on so parliament chamber ni so nti o mu ko biem na Ghana for say da bi ye ntiase sa na o se ye hospital si Kumasi ye nsinwie ye wo so ko bie ayi parliament chamber Uko si cathedral, was a cathedral no, men for Bensika Nancy, make us stress Resica. Hey, let me the because I make me boom mine. So what stress Resica? COVID-19 by also opens, oh, stress COVID-19. Within 1 month, let's Canada near see at the end because independent Nimians and no one said Trump before said election and Kuyi amount. Because in Crawford throw Sika in to build a COVID center than to go and build a cathedral. People will throw money in. It is a man only Skakura no who say, you better like this guy Bibia and ka hospital now, Mahama AC 70%. No, University of Ghana Hospital, Nancy Hall, who buy no we see, COVID by a honey, I didn't go for coy. COVID by a honey, I didn't go for coy. And who better like this guy and can no say ne and ne, Mampeni, Nana Danko for so I not say, ye better Jessica, ye the Korea Hospital, no Kumas, near the BA, University of Ghana, the Mina Medianim, Ambassador, Medianim, Opian Triesica, Yenina Yendi Jessica. And as the can so back, send your COVID no, yes, ye basic COVID centers, can buy ye this year no. Some Mampeni, I see Opiska, the hospital now, Mahama no Sina, Scanababa say, ye the basic because COVID time ye be my young. And you know, what to me, ye can't some way. Now, who ye be in, let's say, Cathedral, the NC, and Akufo-Addo basic close. Like me, MPP Nintino. Who MPP no yare? Who MPP ni yare mo? Yare ni men this ni MPP. yare any NDC ni MPP when yare oni NDC ni MPP ya kan ya chiro na ote ho na o ye concert kwam ye plus Akufo-Addo be win election no we dwane every kroma won sameti ha ya me bo nipa different no won tumi na me yes ade no na MPP for no me 2 omfo sa ade na ye 3 years no yes san ya another 4 years am ko straight hwe na ye njayo because na me no ye nyina no still na me wa ha ma mo kwafo mo nyina bebre na omo nim nyansa no omo be ma meduma de bia aduma menye bia ye wo mo ama ban